Hello, my friends. Imagine if there were one thing you needed to do before beginning on any journey, making any decision, or manifesting your desires. What if skipping this crucial step meant walking through life half prepared? Wouldn't you want to know what that one thing is? The truth is, before you can create the life you desire or step into your full potential, you must first address the foundation upon which everything else rests, your self-concept. You cannot outrun the image you hold of yourself in your mind. Every success, every failure, every experience you've had or will have stems from this central idea. Now, what do I mean by self-concept? It's the picture you carry within, how you see yourself when no one else is looking. It's the beliefs you've unconsciously accepted about who you are, what you deserve, and what you're capable of achieving. It's subtle yet powerful, shaping your world without you even realizing it. And here's the thing, if your self-concept is misaligned with the life you dream of, you'll always find yourself sabotaged, stuck, or spinning in circles. Start by asking yourself, who am I, really? What do I believe about myself? These questions might seem simple, but answering them honestly can be life-changing. Often, we operate on autopilot, guided by an outdated or negative self-image. Perhaps you think, I'm not good enough, or things never work out for me. These thoughts, repeated often enough, become your reality. The mind is incredibly obedient, it will shape your experiences to match the stories you tell yourself. Here's the first step, observe your inner dialogue. Pay attention to the thoughts that dominate your mind throughout the day. Are they empowering or disempowering? Catch yourself when you think, I can't, I don't deserve this, or this isn't for me. Then, gently challenge those ideas. Replace them with, I can, I am worthy, or this is already mine. You might not believe these affirmations at first, but persistence rewires the mind. Once you've started reprogramming your thoughts, the next step is visualization. But don't just visualize aimlessly. Begin with the feeling. How would it feel to be the person you aspire to be? To live the life you've dreamed of? Feeling is the secret. It bridges the gap between your current reality and your desired one. You see, when you immerse yourself in the feeling of already having what you want, you shift your state of being. And when your state of being changes, your outer world must follow suit. I often hear people say, I'll feel happy when I achieve my goal. But that's backward. You must feel happy now. Feel abundant now. Feel successful now. Your feelings are not dependent on the external, they are the cause of it. The outer world is merely a reflection of your inner state. Another vital aspect of transforming your self-concept is detachment. This doesn't mean you stop caring or give up. It means letting go of desperation. When you're desperate for something to happen, you're sending out a signal of lack. Instead, trust the process. Trust that your desires are already fulfilled. Walk through life with a calm confidence, knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. Let's also talk about the importance of gratitude. Gratitude aligns you with the energy of abundance. Start every day by acknowledging the things you're thankful for, even the small ones, a warm cup of coffee, a kind word, the air you breathe. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, raising your vibration and drawing more good into your life. Seek out inspiration. Read books, listen to uplifting words, and associate with those who encourage you to grow. Protect your mind like a garden, nurture it with positivity and pull out the weeds of doubt and negativity. Here's a practice you can try, every night before you sleep, replay your day in your mind. But instead of focusing on what went wrong, imagine it going exactly as you wanted. Rewrite the scenes in your favor. See yourself as confident, capable, and successful. This simple exercise reconditions your subconscious mind, helping it to align with your desired reality. It's also crucial to forgive, not just others, but yourself. Holding on to guilt, resentment, or regret keeps you chained to the past. You might not realize this, but the greatest barrier to achieving your desires is often your inability to fully accept the idea that you are deserving of them. Deservingness is not about earning your dreams, it's about aligning yourself with the truth that the very desire within you is proof that the fulfillment of it is possible. You don't have to justify why you deserve happiness, love, or success. The fact that you exist is reason enough. To move forward, there's another crucial aspect we must discuss: self-trust. Many people struggle with this, often looking outside themselves for validation or direction. They'll consult friends, scroll endlessly for advice, or second-guess their instincts. But here's the truth: the only guide you'll ever need is within you. When you start trusting your inner voice, decisions become clearer, and life feels less chaotic. Self-trust begins by silencing the noise of doubt and listening deeply to what feels aligned with your true self. Let's talk about action. Too often, we get stuck in analysis, overthinking, or waiting for the perfect time. But the reality is that movement creates momentum. You don't have to know every step ahead of you. Just take the first one. Even a small action that aligns with your vision can shift your reality. This isn't about forcing things to happen, it's about stepping into the flow of life. The moment you act in alignment with your goals, you tell your subconscious mind, "This is who I am now." Now, let's explore the concept of worthiness from a broader perspective. Society often conditions us to believe that our value is tied to what we achieve, how much we own, or how others perceive us. This mindset can trap us in a cycle of endless striving, always chasing and never arriving. True worthiness, however, comes from within. It's not about proving yourself to anyone, not even yourself. It's about knowing, deep down, that you are already enough. There's also immense power in your ability to release control. Many of us try to micromanage every detail of our lives, clinging tightly to how we think things should unfold. But control is an illusion. Life has its own rhythm, and often, the path to your desires is different, and better, than you could have planned. Let go of the need to dictate every outcome and trust that what's meant for you will find its way to you when you're ready to receive it. Another important aspect is openness. Are you truly open to receiving what you're asking for? Sometimes, we think we want something, but deep down, we resist it. Perhaps it's fear of change or an unconscious belief that we're not ready. Examine where you might be blocking yourself from receiving. Open your heart and your mind, and watch how the possibilities expand. Self-awareness is also a key factor. Many people go through life without questioning the habits, beliefs, and patterns that drive them. Take time to reflect on your daily choices. Are they in alignment with the life you want to create? If not, make adjustments. Your future is shaped by what you consistently do today. Forgiveness frees you. It's not about condoning what happened, it's about releasing the emotional baggage so you can move forward. Let me emphasize something: patience is key. Changing your self-concept won't happen overnight. It's a process, but every small step counts. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Be kind to yourself along the way. The life you desire is already within you, waiting to be realized. Your self-concept is the key to unlocking it. Don't let old, limiting beliefs hold you back any longer. Begin today. Shift your inner dialogue, feel the reality of your dreams, and walk confidently in the direction of your desires.